Hey YouTube friends! Today I'm making an ornament for my grandson, and if you know my channel, you know I make him ornaments every year. It's a tradition. He's really into Nightmare Before Christmas this year, so I'm going to use these beads from Amazon, the Dollar Tree wooden pegs, and some buttons that I also got off Amazon and make him an ornament. These buttons I got off of Amazon are made out of a kind of a rubbery material, resin maybe, and so it was really easy to cut the backs off and make them flat to put onto the ornaments. So the first thing I did was I painted my blocks with a coat of white Waverly chalk paint. Then after I painted the blocks with the white chalk paint and let that dry, I used some acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree to get the color that I wanted for the background. I would say it's kind of a robin egg blue, maybe a sky blue or something. But anyway, I painted those onto the blocks. Now, in hindsight, I wish that I had glued the blocks together before I painted the blocks. I think it would have looked better and it would have just been a lot better. And here I am taking a sponge and just kind of sponging a coat on after I use the brush so you won't see brush marks so badly. Then after that blue dries, then I take this extreme glitter. This is not really glitter. It's like well, it is glitter, but it's kind of like a clear coat over it, and it puts a glitter sheen on there, as you can see, with not the mess of glitter. It's really, really good stuff. I've got gold, and I've got this color and silver color too. And then, of course, you just glue them together with some wood glue. You can get wood glue at the Dollar Tree, but I just happen to have this Gorilla wood glue on hand left over from another project. And then I use these clamps from the Dollar Tree to clamp them together. Then just let them dry overnight. Next, I just took some of this gel super glue from the Dollar Tree and glued the buttons on, and I also let that dry overnight too. I wanted it to cure very, very well before I put anything onto the ornaments. To cover up that negative space on the second jack skeleton, I just simply took one of these Dollar Tree snowflakes and glued it on the top up there. Then I took my beads and chose my colors and put it in the sequence that I wanted them to go in for the hanger. And like I said, I got these beads off of Amazon. They're really, really whimsical and cute. And once I have it in the order that I want it to be in, then I choose what ribbon I want to use as a hanger. I chose this red and white snowflake ribbon from the Dollar Tree and this sheer polka dot black, also from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I'm just putting the buttons through. I took the blunt end of a toothpick to push that red ribbon through the hole. The black sheer ribbon was easy to get through. And then I just glued the ribbon onto the back, let it dry, and to cover up the ribbon in the back, I just used some more embellishments from Dollar Tree. This blue and white snowflake both came from the Dollar Tree, and I just simply glued it on. I glued the blue snowflake on first, and then I glued the white snowflake on top of the blue snowflake. And now for the final reveal on this little tabletop Dollar Tree Christmas tree.